My goodness, I totally forget. And you guys have been bombarding me like, what is the price for the collagen cream? What is the price for the Ultra Defense Moisturizer? Why aren't you featuring the dark spot corrector? So, guess what, guys? I am going to feature them for you right now. So, here are the three creams that you're all asking about, and these you can find on our website, alexmaxi.com. Let me put it up right here for you to see. I get it, I get it, I get it, I get it. And I see you all shopping. As a matter of fact, you guys are going crazy for these three creams. So the first one, and they're all under $30. They're all under $30. And guess what? You can also bundle and save on these. And yes, we have the code Chichi for you, all capital letter. Go ahead and use it because these are going really, really fast. It's amazing of how much of these you are all purchasing. And yes, the code is Chichi. And let's talk about it really, really quick. So let's talk about the dark spot corrector. To start with, the dark spot corrector have to lighten and brighten the skin. It have to get rid of pigmentation on the skin, whether you are using it all over your skin or you're just spot treating wherever you are looking to clear the skin. This is also good for your neck. If you find that you have dark neck, you are going to use it on your neck to clear the dark neck. Good for your knuckles, good for your knees. And guess what, guys? This is why this is such an amazing seller right now. This is why you all are asking, because someone came and they were talking about how amazing this is for the inner thighs, to clear those inner thighs. And most of you are grabbing this for that reason. Fast, effective, without any form of irritation. And this you can find on our website for $29, but you have that code, so you're going to get 15% off. And guess what, guys? I cannot say more. All I have to say to you, if you want the dark spot corrector from alexmaxi.com, Chichi Beauty Skincare, grab it now before we are sold out of it. And this is it right here. $28, $29 with that discount is going to take you down to about $25 or so. Grab it right now because people are just inquiring about it. And I'm so excited about how fast these are moving, guys. So grab yours right now. Lighten and brighten and clear hyperpigmentation. And guess what, guys? This is also great for your underarm. So if you find your underarm a little dark, grab a little bit, rub it out of there, lighten and brighten the skin and get that glow on the skin. So there you have it. Now let's move on to the next one. This is the collagen cream, and this is $28 for the collagen cream. Look at my skin, guys. Oh my goodness, I've been using this collagen cream on my skin, and when I come on and here, people think that, oh, I get some procedure done. No, it is the collagen cream. The collagen cream. And let me take this out of the box for you. The collagen cream have to plump the skin up. It give you this really great appearance as if you just have been working on the skin. So when you get it at home, you grab it out of the box, and this is the collagen cream. And how do you use the collagen cream on the skin? You use the Chichi Beauty collagen cream right after you wash your face, and you put your serum, and you put your toner, you put your serum on, and then you grab the collagen cream and fill it in the laugh lines, fill it in the frown line. If you have forehead wrinkles, just go ahead, fill it in, and use it on the neck and décolleté also. And guess what, guys? Not only are you getting that fullness to the skin, the firmness to the skin, but you're getting that lift to the skin. So this is why you're all going crazy for the collagen cream. $28 on alexmaxi.com. Grab it before it's sold out. Remember, the code is Chichi, and this is for all of you that have been flooding the emails from TikTok. So definitely, guys, check it out. Check it out right here on YouTube. You can click on the link right below. We're going to put the link, which is the tag. Click on it. It's going to take you to the store. Grab it, put those codes in, and grab it. And not only grab it, but use it on your skin for amazing results. Now we are moving on to the third one. And this is the one that you are all asking about. This is like a one-stop shop because it contains collagen, retinol, all these amazing ingredients in it. And this is the one you're also buying for your hobbies, but it can be used as a standalone cream. This is the one I personally travel with, and this is the one you are all asking about. Also, it is $30. It's a little dollar or two more than the others, but it is like 2-in-1. Amazing, amazing, amazing. This you're going to use AM and PM on the skin, and this you can use when you travel, and this is the only cream you have. It contains collagen also. When you apply it on the skin, it's going to plump the skin up, give you that glass-like look to the skin, give you that youthful glow to the skin. And guess what, guys? When you use this, you can also use it on the neck and décolleté. Let me take it out for you. It comes in this box. And guess what, guys? When we send them to you, we also give you a little spatula that you can use to take it out of the jar without dipping your hands in it. And not only that, we have a second stopper on it. This is rich in antioxidant, rich in vitamins and minerals. That's going to have to transform the skin, and a little goes a long way, and it is not going to leave the skin greasy at all. If you are giving this to your hubby, yes, they can use it on the face. They can even use it in the beard. It's not going to make any form of a mess, but keep it hydrated. And I'm telling you, I love using this on my skin. So guess what, guys? Remember, it is only $30 with a 15% discount off of it. You're getting about $6 or so off this, and it's really, really a good deal. So that is what you're all asking about. And yes, I see you. 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 I see that you are all going after these cream. And you know, once you see you get a little viral, then you know everyone wanted. So yes, $30 for the Ultra Defense Moisturizer, and $28 for the collagen cream, and $29 for the dark spot corrector. But with the discount, guess what? You can pick up all three. That's what that is the deal right there. You can pick up all three, because that's what everyone is asking about. Oh, can we get it in a bundle? We have a bundle with 4 of these. Okay, the next one, the Ultra is not in the bundle, but if you want the 4, you can do the collagen, the dark spot corrector, the retinol cream, and also the vitamin C cream. But since this is the 3 people are asking for, put them in your basket, put all 3 in the basket, use the code, and you get a really, really good discount on it. But it's not about the discount. It's not about just putting them in the basket. It's about the effect that it's going to have on the skin, the look that you're going to get when you use this. And don't forget, guys, brighten the skin with our dark spot corrector. This is the main one you guys are rushing for. And guess what, guys? I know it. Grab yours before we are sold out. And you can find all of these on ALESMAXii.com. There are other products that we have there that are great. We have a full set of turmeric products. We also have a full set of age renewal creams, which is an anti-aging cream. We have facial masks, we have facial polishes, we also have facial oils. We have a wide variety of products on ALESMAXii.com, which is all Khichi Beauty skincare. And pre-Black Friday, guys, grab them. They are going fast. And there you have it. I said it. I give you all the amount that these products cost, and I also let you know you can get them in a bundle, and I also share the code Khichi with you that you're going to get 15% off. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to leave your comments, and don't forget to shop ALESMAXii.com. And I'll see you all in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my vlog channel, which is Khichi Beauty Vlog channel. And you can also subscribe to our namesake, ALESMAXii, right here on YouTube. Look below. You're going to see a link that says products, view products. Click on it. And there you're going to see all the products that we featured just now. And can also take you to our website, ALESMAXii.com, where you're going to shop and use the products for amazing looking skin. Thank you all for watching. And I'll catch you in my next video. Bye-bye.